Hello guys, welcome to my first Excel video tutorial. If you already know about these basic terms, you can skip the video. So let's begin. What is Excel? Excel is a spreadsheet type program used for data analysis and calculations. Excel uses a grid of cells arranged in numbered rows and letter-named columns to organize data. It features calculation, graphing tools, pivot tables, and macro programming. Okay, here are some basic terms. For example, workbook. We use workbook to represent an Excel file. Also, a spreadsheet. A spreadsheet is just a page that can capture, display, and manipulate data arranged in rows and columns. So, a workbook can have multiple spreadsheets. There's also a row and a column. The rows are represented by numbers and columns are represented by letters. A cell is an intersection of a row and a column. So we can say, for example, K7, and we can locate where the data is and make calculations with that information. Now there's also something very important when it comes to calculations in Excel, and is a proper data set. These rules are the following. Every record is housed on one row. So for example, date, you see that the dates are going on this row, and each column contains a type of data. So this includes data, that is in this case dates. This column B includes cells, which are numbers, and production cost, which is column C, includes also numbers. It can also contain booleans like trues and falses, decimal numbers, whole numbers, time zone, etc. Rule number 3. There are no blank rows or columns in between. If I add a blank row here, this is no longer a proper data set. Also, we can't allow subtotals in here. So let's say I add a subtotal here. Okay. If I want to make a calculation based on this, and I have a subtotal there, imagine we have not only 15 rows, but we have 1,000 rows. Okay, I don't want to go and select each one of the dates that I want to calculate. I want to select the entire column and make a calculation. So if I have subtotals in the middle, I'm not gonna get the right number. That's one of the reasons that these rules exist for data sets and tabular data. Okay, so now you know what is Excel, you know the basic terminology, and you know what is a proper data set. In the next video, we're gonna introduce formulas and cell references. So if you like the video and you want more, please subscribe and like the video. See you in the next one.